What's up, guys? This is Gabe from SNP Innovations, and today we're doing a product overview on our Toyota Tacoma 2RZ, 3RZ Adapter Harness Kit. This kit here is for the 1995 to 1997 Distributor Engine only. So it is 95, 96, and some of 97 actually had a distributor on it. So if your engine has a distributor, please, this is the kit that you need right here. So what we've got here is we got a full complete adapter harness kit. Adapter harness kit is just that. This is designed to plug into your factory engine harness. So you would unplug your ECU, remove it completely, manual transmission only. Unplug your ECU and you take your factory harness, you plug it right into here. Okay. So once you have your harness plugged into here, this side here plugs right into your Haltech Elite 550. Pretty simple. From there, we have CAN bus communication that goes between the Haltech ECU and the Haltech WB wideband module. Now, WB1 wideband module is an O2 sensor with a weld-in bung and extension cable that plugs into the Haltech ECU through this connector here. Pretty simple, just plugs right in. Then the communication cable plugs into the adapter like this. Pretty simple. Either one of these ports, it doesn't matter. It plugs right in. And this side here plugs directly into here. Simple. And then this plugs directly into here. Just like that. We supply a vacuum line. This is actually tractor trailer air brake rated plastic line. It's not plastic, it's more complicated than that, but it's very, very high pressure and it's got some decent amount of temperature rating and it doesn't kink very easily. So this will plug into the Haltech ECU just like this. Then this port here will go right into your intake manifold. Now make sure, it's very important, you can't stress this enough, this has to go directly into the intake manifold itself. If it's a supercharger, it's got to be below the supercharger. In the intake runner, number 1 or number 2 intake runner, there should be an 1/8 inch NPT, and this has to go there. The reason why it's important is because we want to register manifold pressure and boost. And if you put it into your throttle body, we're not going to get manifold pressure, vacuum. We're not going to get that source. That's not going to work out right. So we want to make sure that we got manifold pressure, vacuum, and boost. So that's going to be very important. Do not put this to the throttle body. Can't stress that enough. So our kit also comes with the air temp sensor. That air temp sensor plugs right into the airstream, preferably in the intake manifold. If it's a turbo application, you can do it in the intake tube before the throttle body, if it's a turbo application. And that actually plugs right into here. Super easy. So that's it. That's the complete kit there. This is the adapter harness. Your factory harness plugs into here. Your Haltech plugs into there. Your manifold pressure hose goes into here. Wideband sensor and module. Full complete kit. These ECUs, I do program these, come pre-programmed with the startup tune. Now the startup tune is just that. It's just to get you to start and run. This is not a go do a burnout tune. This is not to get it under the boost tune. It's not a drive tune, okay? You can't just send all the boost to it. This is just to get it to start up and run. And that information that I put in here is based on your EFI order form. Now, every vehicle is different. Every customer's engine is different, which is why we supply it as a startup tune. There's too many variables to make it your permanent tune. Every vehicle needs to be tuned. Every engine has to be tuned. It's extremely important to have it tuned. Now, whether you have us tune it, or you have local tuner, or you tune it yourself, just know that it does have to be tuned. That is the full, complete adapter harness kit for the first gen Tacomas, 2RZ, 3RZ engines, manual transmission. This is the distributor model only. First gen Tacoma says 95, 96, and some of 97. If you have a distributor, this is a kit for you. Check out our website, snpspeed.com. This is SNP Spin Innovations, and don't forget to do all that Stalker stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us. If you like this content, please drop a comment. If you want to see more content like this, please put it in the comments below. We're working on more technical videos, how-tos, how to calibrate the throttle positioning sensors, simple stuff like that that anybody can do with the Haltech software. So stay tuned. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Thanks, man.